Today is Tuesday, January the 7th, and not a lot happened today. Volume was a little bit low in the Dow and the S&P, but was normal 20-day moving average volume, relative volume on the NASDAQ. Some red, some no change, not a lot of green. The decliners led advancers, however, by 10 points. So that's the opposite of yesterday. And that will take our McClellan oscillator much closer to the neutral point. And as I've been saying all along, it tends to not bounce off of the neutral point. Well, here it bounced off the neutral point, only to be followed by down. So anyways, we've gone over this before. It tends to move below the neutral point and go into the oversold area. The S&P, let's look at the since not much happened, let's just look at the 5-minute charts, and you can see that the S&P finished down 9 points overall. So there's still some concern about what's going on either in the White House or in Iran. But it's important to look at volume at the end of the day, and look at Apple. Apple had some selling towards the end of the day. Caterpillar had some selling towards the end of the day for sure. The volatility, the CBOE market volatility index, moved up at the end of the day. Whirlpool had a lot of buying happen in the last 5 minutes. Didn't move the price very much, but there was a lot of buying. There might have been some shorts that were just closing out their positions. The stock was flat at 4 cents up, and Home Depot saw a little bit of bump towards the end of the day at what was otherwise basically a down day, down $2. So I didn't make any changes to my portfolio. I'm still, I'm still holding vertical calls in Apple, Amazon, Whirlpool. I rolled my AT&T short 38 calls, which Thursday will go ex-dividend, and I picked up 61 cents. I rolled them to March 38. So this is something that I just plan on making money on slowly. If I survive the ex-dividend, I'll pick up the 52 cents dividend. If not, then I'll at least be able to buy the stock back for around $39. I'll have made a profit on what I hold, and they're going to take away my stock and my March short calls, but leave me with the 61 cents additional profit that I made today, which is more than the dividend. So that's all for today. Pretty short video because we're just in a wait and see situation. Canada, Germany, NATO have pulled their troops, are in the process of pulling their troops out of Iraq, leaving the United States sort of all alone there. And that's not a good position to be in.